The snow is starting to fall, the lights are going up, and Christmas is right around the corner. Which means Santa and his elves are prepping for another long journey to deliver gifts to little boys and girls everywhere. This also means more homeowners are burning their fireplaces on a regular basis, especially in colder climates. If you're one of these homeowners, you should ask yourself, is my chimney safe for Santa? But before we answer that question, and leave out some milk and cookies, don't forget to subscribe to the Alpha and Omega YouTube channel for more chimney, fireplace, and dryer vent related content. If you find this video helpful, be sure to click the like button and leave us a comment below. When was the last time you had your chimney professionally swept and inspected? If it's been a while, your chimney may not be safe for your family or Santa this holiday season. The last thing you want is to endanger your family by starting a fire in an unswept fireplace, or injure Santa as he makes his descent down your chimney. If you're unsure if your chimney needs to be professionally swept, here are a few things to consider. When you use your fireplace on a regular basis, smoke, vapor, and unburned wood fragments move up into your chimney. These elements cool off and condense into creosote, a dark brown or black substance that's highly flammable and extremely dangerous. In order to prevent creosote buildup, you should always have your chimney and fireplace professionally inspected and swept on an annual basis. You should also be on the lookout for obstructions. Mother Nature frequently deposits debris into your chimney. This can include things like leaves, twigs, and fallen branches. Also, small critters such as birds, squirrels, and raccoons can sometimes turn the top of your chimney into their new home. All of these elements are considered obstructions, and all of these elements can prevent dangerous gases, like carbon monoxide, from safely exiting your home. Some obstructions can also act as kindling and start a dangerous house fire. Lastly, there may be unnoticeable damage inside of your chimney. These elements can include your crown, flue liner, and any unstable masonry work. While these components can often be too high or hidden from a homeowner's observational inspection, a professional chimney sweep has the tools and training needed to properly assess damage and look out for any components that need to be replaced. Now that you know how to keep your family and Santa safe this year, it's time to give Alpha and Omega a call to schedule your professional sweep and inspection today. Alpha and Omega is Michigan's #1 chimney, fireplace, and dryer vent service provider, having served homeowners since 1997. Our team of industry-leading professionals are here to help you preserve the health and safety of your home by providing you with the services you need to keep your fire burning, keep your fireplace looking amazing, and most importantly, keep your home operating safely and efficiently. Call or click today to schedule your appointment with Alpha and Omega. Stay tuned for more Alpha and Omega content, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.